Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right tag. NTag 213 for small data, NTag 215 for typical vCard size, NTag 216 for larger payloads. Order writable NFC cards or stickers that match ISO 14443, ASO phones will read them. Once purchased, make sure your smartphone supports NFC and install a trusted writing app. You need contact info, prepared name, phone, email, website, and a short URL if desired. With tag, you now build the actual payload. In your NFC app, choose vCard or URL record and enter name, phone, email, job title, and a website. Check the tag's memory. If the vCard is too large, use a short URL that hosts your full profile. This saves space and improves compatibility. Once set, tap right and place the phone over the NFC area of the card until the app confirms success. Then immediately test with a different phone to ensure universal readability. You finish by designing and printing the physical card, placing the NFC chip where no metal or thick layers will block the field. Once printed, laminate or apply the final coating and retest the tag. Coatings can affect range, so confirm a reliable tap distance. If it fails, first try reading with another phone. Then reformat the tag and rewrite the vCard. Make sure you use the correct NTag model and that your payload fits. If problems persist, replace the tag and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.